Beautiful farm with 177.46 plus acres. Ranch-style home built in 2004 with open floor plan of 2430 square foot and attached two-car garage, full unfinished basement with 3102 square foot. Home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, great room with rock fireplace, kitchen, dining room and utility room. Hardwood floors throughout. Additional detached two-car garage workshop. Gorgeous view sitting on the front porch overlooking pond. Land is half open, half wooded with creek running down one side and across back. There is another home site on property with well and septic in place. Only 15 minutes from Box Island, Kerrlake. Priced way below assessment value. Call and make appointment to see this beautiful property today. $570,000.